your mouth, boy.
Nice Yamaha there too. It's amazing. But you don't see enough Arctic cats. Don't mention it.
Hey.
Look at this guy's man. That's his man. Look at this shit, man. Hey, you want food, man? They got food there for sale.
No, that's not like we
Yo,
can just like walk
food right there. I don't need food though, but look at this whole Jimmy. Can't do nothing. Why are they here? Just for safety, you know, fights and shit, whatever. Really? Probably, I don't know. Oh my god, so...
Oh my god.
It's amazing. They're not even real police, they're probably just like fake uniforms. They're just like... Let's hop in, let's go!
Get in here!
Oh,
Only in the back.
Ron's only in the back.
Yeah, he can come in front, but he's going in the back.
What happens if we got like a tranny in abroad?
No.
I gotta go pee. I want... Fucking beer. Yo, we'll go on the next... Let's go pee and go on the next one. Seriously. I wanna go on the next one. Let's go pee already. I wanna pee my pants in the truck. Man, why didn't we do that? Come on. Let's go on the next one.
Get the next one, the next one. Oh my god, that's so funny.
Yo, let's go fucking pee. Man. I wanna urinate. Safe place. Let's go.
These guys,
Get run over by a...
if they offer, if they save any people in the back, then like...
Why didn't we go in the back? They had lots of people. It would have been fun.
You just want to go with those girls.
No, well, yeah. Why not? That guy just giving her through here. Oh, the ammo back here. Let's go.
Oh my god, is that Dad's truck? That looks like Dad's truck, man.
Oh, the Arctic cat. Finally, an Arctic cat. Yo, let's go. Go. I'm gonna go pee. Is that the urination station there? Is that the hole?
We do this every time. Maybe somebody will drive us, Joseph. Hang on.
Well, his wheel alignment's fucked. He ain't even moving.
Oh, that was close.
Just sitting there watching.
No, guys, he was in there for a bit.
Hey, I love it. I love it. I should have brought the old Honda, right? Imagine.
That's so nice. I can't believe that you didn't bring the four-wheeler. You bring that thing on the friggin' 401, and like the only person in charge of driving on the highway with that four-wheeler.
Let's go. I'm wondering.
What you want?
Well, what are we doing? Let's go.
We're gonna go pee and then we're gonna hitch a ride.
We can take a piss over there.
Peel out! Oh no.
Do you want your bear? Do you want your bear?
Yeah, I'll take my beer. Hang on.
Oh, no.
Thing.
Is that Buddy there? Is that Buddy that we know?
Yeah.
Or is that a guy?
That's government search.
He's got his sled! No, he's not
How
taking...
happy are you right now?
Oh, I'm happy. That's so good. I'm happy. Oh my god, dude, listen to all girls more pop, pop. But this guy's car surfing. Oh!